Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to change the strap on your Crocs. Yes, you can do that. So you see these straps right here that say Crocs on it? That's the strap that we're going to be switching with these two pairs. Okay? So, first of all, to start off, you need the same size Crocs or at least one size up or one size down. Don't go crazy on the sizes because then the straps can be either too long or too short. So you see this is an 11 and a 10. It's only one size different. So that's fine. So here you go. So look at the strap. Look how stretchy it is. I'm pulling it. Look, you can already see how much it stretches. So what you're gonna do is pull it out and go up. Pull it up. Pull it out and then pull up, and it should just come right off. Pull it out and up, and it should just come right off. You see how easy that is? Super easy. And you can do so many different color designs and changes. I mean, it's such a easy DIY little hack for your Crocs. Pull it out and up. Okay, that easy. Look how easy it just pops right off. And that little Croc logo is actually removable, but that's too much effort. We can just do this that easy. So I got my two straps removed from both Crocs. So now it's time to install, to put it back on. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that too. So look, you see how much the straps are not that much different in size. So it's going to work perfectly. So I got the blue one now. I'm going to put it on this glittery Croc. Make sure the word is going the way it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be facing out. So you hold it down with your thumb from your left hand. Hold it down the edge of the strap, and you're going to pull with your other thumb while holding it, pushing it up with your index finger. So you see, hold it down with your left thumb, pull it with your right thumb while you're pushing it out, applying pressure with your index finger. And it's that simple. You see, it's super easy. Look how cute it is already. I mean, it's giving me like Tiffany vibes, you know? With the baby blue and the little silver and the white. It's so cute already. So it's that easy to take off and to put back on. So let's do it again. Hold it down with your left thumb, pull it with your right thumb while you're putting pressure with the index finger, and it should pop right back on. So I hope you learned something. So give your Crocs a new look. Look how stretchy that is. It should give you no trouble at all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Look how cute. One little thing can make such a difference. That's crazy. And they look so cute. So try it out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.